Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to do another makeup tutorial. I've lost a nail. This is a nail that was kind of like broken, like all the way down here. So my nail broke. I'm going to try something different with this video. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to more so like do a voiceover. Even though my voice sounds kind of disgusting right now. But hopefully this will turn out good enough to be uploaded, and if you're seeing it, then it was good enough. We're getting better and better, so I'm fixing things one by one. You may also be able to tell that I have no hair, but I cut my hair off again. But I'm challenging myself to not put heat on my hair unless I'm going to the salon and getting heat done. Other than that, I'm just going to let my hair grow back out because my hair was awful. Yeah, other than that, let's get started. Okay, boom. So my eyes are super zoomed in. And right now I'm just making sure that you can see me in the camera. That's why I keep looking up, because I've never recorded like this close to my face before. So anyway, I'm going in with the ColourPop, I think it's just called the ColourPop Me palette, and this color is called My Treat, and that's more of my base color. So I'm just going to go all over my lid and up into my crease to cover all of that up. And I mostly did that because I actually didn't know what colors I was going to use. So if I was going to use like a lighter color or something like that, at least the base was there so you could see it a little more, and it was a little more pigmented. So that's why I ended up doing it. And I wanted to make sure that it was like all the way like on my lid and it wasn't going to like slip or anything. Yeah, so there's that. Looking back in the camera to make sure that's still recording. So then I'm going in with a color, it's called Rule Breaker, and I'm going into my crease and like all the way into my inner corner with that color to kinda, I really don't know what I'm doing at this point, you guys, just to be clear about that. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I just decided that maybe I was going to do like a Smokey Eye. So I'm going in with that Rule Breaker color, which is like super pigmented. I didn't think it was gonna be that pigmented, and putting it in my crease, inner corner, and I'm going a little like down, like under my waterline, and I'm also trying to just make sure that it's blended out, because with black eyeshadow it can be really easy for it to be too bulky and not wanting to blend. I've tried a lot of blacks before, and those are the hardest colors to blend out. But for this one, this ColourPop color is probably the best black that I've ever been able to blend. So if you ever want to try a black eyeshadow, most definitely try this one. And matter of fact, just buy the entire palette. The entire palette itself is $16, so super good deal. Or sometimes it's even on sale. So it's just a good palette to invest if you really like neutral colors. So now what's that on my finger is another color called Howdy. I think it's called Howdy or Level Up, one of those. The way that they have their things labeled is super weird, and I'm just going over my lid with that, and it showed up a little more. I don't want to say a little more, I'm really bad at this. It showed up a little better on my lids, I think, just because the base was there. So I just went over there to do that, and I'm going back in to like blend those two colors together. That way it's not so jagged, I guess. And yeah, those are what I did for my eyes, and wink. All right, so now I'm gonna go in. This is the new Anastasia brow gel. I think that's what I'm doing right now. It is the color Ebony, and literally all I do now is kind of just take that gel and whatever I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. Shay, what are you doing? Okay. You can decide when to look back up, Shay. Okay, there we go. There we go. And I'm just going to brush that through my eyebrows to kind of, I darken my eyebrows / give them a little bit of an outline. That way they don't look like I just got up out of bed. And I will say that this brow gel is super runny, super runny. So and it doesn't set for a while, and it's super easy to like get it everywhere. So if you are going to buy this, I think it was like $22 or something like that. If you are going to buy this, most definitely be careful with it because it can get super messy. And now I'm just trying to blend the under eyes, like my waterline, I guess, with that black, because right now it looks super like, ugh. Like, what are you doing? And I just realized that you can't really see that brown color I put on there. You still see that base color. At least I know that the base works, so that's cool. So now when I find out what I'm doing, maybe people should write out scripts when they're doing this, because I really don't remember what I'm doing and I'm just watching the video as this is happening. Oh, there we go. So now this is the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, and this is the color Sunshine, and that's my highlight. So I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks, on like the apples of my cheeks, I guess. And then I'm gonna do it down the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. I used to do it like underneath my eyebrows, and I still do if it's like a really fleeky like eyebrow that I'm doing. But if not, then I most of the time just leave them alone, and I just leave my brows like that. So it just depends on what kind of eyebrows that I do for the day. And my ear itches, I guess. And now I actually make, it's not even a fake beauty mark. I do have a beauty mark right there. I just darken it in because a lot of people don't even notice that I have a beauty mark right there until I take it off. And it's just like, oh wow, you really do have a beauty mark. And I go, well, yeah, I know I do. So now I wish I would stop putting my head down. I'm still really bad at this, you guys, but I'm trying. I really am trying. Come on. Come on, Shay. Whenever you decide to look up. Whenever you decide to look up. This is how I am in real life when I'm editing, by the way. I literally do all of this. It's just like, why am I looking down? Like, you're so stupid. Still don't know what I'm doing. Well, I mean, I look pretty cute. Oh, look, there we go. So this was a NYX red lipstick that I was trying to put on. It's like that soft cream stuff, but then I noticed that it was actually really dull and almost see-through. So I did the bottom lip, and then I just decided that like I didn't like it, so I actually threw it away, or I would tell you what color it was. I actually do enjoy NYX lipsticks a lot, like a lot. And I might start investing in them because I always like forget how good they are until I put them on my lips, and I'm like, wow, this is super good. So now this is the ColourPop lipstick. I forget what color it is. I don't have it sitting next to me, unfortunately. I'll leave a comment. I'll leave it in the description box below. Actually, I'll leave the link to most of this stuff below. That way, if you want to see it or are thinking about buying any of it, you can, because I'm a good YouTuber like that. Yeah. So, I think that's it for my voiceover because I think you guys are kind of sick and tired of listening to me now. So let's go ahead and get to the end of this video. Here's the final look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really don't know how long it was, but maybe you can pick up a little bit of tips or tricks or whatever you want to call it, so that way you will feel more comfortable doing your makeup. Makeup is for everybody, whoever wants to do it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, I'm glad you did. Leave a like or comment if you want, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.